Welcome to Bob R Photos. In this video you'll see osprey and their babies. Ospreys are an amazing bird. They're also known as sea hawks, river hawks, and fish hawks, and they excel at fishing. They'll climb 30 to 130 feet in the air and then dive feet first into shallow waters to catch their fish. This female osprey is not happy that we're in the area near her nest. While there's babies in the nest, the male osprey will catch and bring to the nest at least 10 fish a day to feed the female and the babies. The female osprey will then tear off small strips of fish and feed it to the babies. This is a behavior I've never seen before. This is the male osprey that just brought the fish to the nest. I read that sometimes when they're overheated, they'll fly down to the water, wet their feet and legs, and also their face across the water to cool off. Then back up to the nest he went. This is a female osprey pulling pieces of the fish off to feed to her babies. There's lots of nests along the Intercoastal Waterway in South Carolina. This osprey's taken off to head back to this nest where these two young'uns are waiting. At this nest, Mom isn't happy that we're nearby, and under her wing is one of her chicks. At this nest, here's a nice close-up of a female feeding her young baby. This male osprey is not too far from the nest you just seen. He's letting us know to leave the area. An adult osprey can have a wingspan between 5 and 6 feet and weigh between 3 and 4 pounds. Ospreys are an amazing bird of prey, and they are awesome to watch. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, hit that like button, hit that share button, and follow me on Instagram at Bob R Photos. Thanks for watching.